Is your kitchen ready for a fresh new look? Whether your style has changed or your needs have evolved, we help you create a space that feels lighter, more modern, and perfectly suited to your life. At Dream Doors, we specialise in beautiful kitchen makeovers designed around you. Whether you're refreshing your kitchen with new replacement doors or transforming your home with a fully fitted kitchen, our expert team creates a space you'll love for years to come. Your journey starts here. Enter your postcode and complete the contact form, and we'll send an online brochure straight to your inbox, with a printed copy to follow in the post. Inside, you'll discover stylish kitchens, replacement doors, appliances, and clever storage ideas, all designed to inspire. Your local Dream Doors team will then be in touch to invite you to their showroom. This is where your vision comes to life. Explore our range in person and see the feel and quality for yourself. From easy closed drawers and sleek finishes to a wide range of colours and styles, with friendly experts who take the time to understand exactly what you're looking for. Next comes your home visit. One of our kitchen experts will visit your home to see your space, understand how you live, and help create a design that fits your lifestyle. We'll bring along the samples you loved in the showroom so you can see how everything looks and feels in your own home. Once you've chosen your perfect combination, we'll take precise measurements and prepare your personalised quote, tailored just for you. When you're ready, we'll arrange your installation and take care of everything. Our trusted local fitters work with care and efficiency, keeping disruption to a minimum and leaving your home clean and tidy at the end of each day. Before you know it, your transformation is complete. A kitchen that looks great, works seamlessly for your lifestyle, and becomes the heart of your home. Dream Doors. Your dream kitchen starts here.